Thank you for reaching FTC4 production. Thank you, my people, for coming back. Thank you for your unquestionable support, your arduous loyalty. Thank you for always sticking around, for always providing support, always caring. Because this is a channel that belongs to all of us. This is the channel of the people of the working class and low income family. The channel is dedicated only to the purpose of giving back information, which is power, for free. These informations used to be withheld by a chunk of elite people back in the time. They only had access to them. We couldn't get access to shoes. But those are things of the past. Thanks to technology, which is on our side, we can actually get access to those information the same way they do. There is no excuse for not learning a new skills. You can actually learn it online for free. I get it. You cannot catch all the good flight at the John F. Kennedy Airport. I get it. Been there, and it's impossible. Can catch them all. But this is why I'm here for. To provide you some of those flights that we for certain, just statistically speaking, you won't be able to catch. And you'll be able to reach certain things, for free, really easy. Alright, having said that, now let me actually share something really cool that I actually found. But, well, we already know that this is about ear savers. But before we get to that point, let me tell you what is the name of this company and what it's dedicated for. Making magical things at the push of a button. Yes, this company is called Glowforge and is the type of company that build 3D printers. Printers that will help you to build certain things that cannot be done just like that. These are the Glowforge types that they have. And you can do literally anything. And let me show you how. Right here. Your Glowforge works with hundreds of materials. Built on laser cutter and engraver technology, Glowforge uses a beam of light, the width of a human hair to cut, engrave, and shape design from a variety of materials. These tools are really powerful. You can do acrylic, which you're looking at it. You can do cardboards. You can actually do fabric. You can do food, glass. You can do hardwood, leather, right here. You can do metal. You can do paper. You can do slate. And many more. They can do a lot of things, artistic things. I'm not even gonna worry about checking the price, but if you happen to have one of these, oh boy, sky is the limit. You can do a lot of beautiful things on your own. But now that you know what this company is about, let me tell you what is this video is about, and then you will rapidly understand. Glowforge, when they set out to help, they never expected how much need there was. Hundreds of thousands of ear savers had been made already, and millions more have been requested. They'll do their best to help everyone, and they thank you for what you do. Why they gonna thank me for what I do? Well, they just trying to say, if you're a first responder, they really thank you for what you do, which is fine. It's really cute. Together we can take care of millions of people who are taking care of us. But how? You might be wondering, wait a second, you are the 3D printer company. You are the one who produces this type of printer, so you are the one supposed to be helping out on a massive scale. But this is what the interesting part. It's very lucrative what they actually did, in which I totally agree with it. If you happen to be one of their clients that have a Glowforge, how can you help these first responders? You now have the ability to print more than 1,000 ear savers each day, so you can actually help doing this. More than a million people have requested ear savers. You can make an immediate difference today. And when you sign up, they'll match you with the frontline heroes in your community, so your print can help people right away. It's not the company, it's the client itself that are gonna be helping out the company of moving forward with this. Now, I need ear savers. Okay, you are a first responder of the stuff. Are you working on the front line of the COVID-19 crisis? Well, their factory and thousands of Glowforge customers are working around the clock to print your ear savers for free. Okay? Anyone wearing a mask to keep us all safe can request them. Nurses, retail workers, delivery workers, doctors, sanitation workers, they'll do their best to get them as soon as you can. But before I actually click get ear savers, I want to read a little bit more about these ear savers itself. The 2 million essential ears saver, designed by expert, printable by everyone. They work with they worked with biomedical engineers, doctors, and epidemiologists to design a functional, comfortable ear savers that can be printed in seconds. This prevents injury. Masks weren't designed to be worn all day, every day. So ear saver takes pressures and friction off the ear, making all masks more comfortable and reduce the risk damage to ears and face. You actually help when the mask is in the wrong side. With critical shortage of PPE, the right side mask isn't always available. The ear saver makes mask sizing more flexible, meaning more people can be protected. This is fast and easy to print, and this is instructions, so you can do that. But I'm not gonna go through all that. I don't wanna get you bored with all that. This is how it works. Gotta fill out this form. And keep moving. I just gonna leave it up to this point because I don't want to bother you. Fill you up with too many intel and get you asleep. My goal is to make sure that I can give you, the shortest message possible so you can get it straight. But it's important that you actually come with the whole command. Don't leave anything behind. And you learn everything. So I'm gonna leave the URL down below so you can come in here on your own pace and learn from it. All right. Gonna leave it up to this point. Please don't hesitate to reach me. To write me down below here, FTC for production, and talk to me. What's your experience? How did it go? Did you get assaulted? Or you actually here to tell me that you have a printer and you already been doing it. So, I mean, just share some of the stories that might be related with these that you had done. If you haven't and you're planning to do it, please don't hesitate to let me know as well. Um, but I think other agents are in charge of that and doing their best to help out. Right? Thank you very much for your help and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.